Hello everyone, let's continue our series about how to mod Android apps. In this second tutorial, we are going to mod this app to get VIP subscription. Here's how the app looks when we launch it for the first time. It shows different subscriptions to purchase. And you can't access these premium features without a VIP access. Okay, now let's mod this app. Open MT Manager. Then extract APK, select the app, then press Extract File. Locate the file, and if it's APKS file, you need to convert it to APK file. To do that, open Anti-Split G2 app. Select the APKS file, which you can find in the default MT Manager folder, named MT2, then press Merge. When the conversion finishes, go back to MT Manager, then open the APK file of the app. Select View, then open classes.dex files using Dex Editor Plus. Check all the classes, then press OK. Great, now go to Strings, then Filter. Search for Purchase, then press OK. Now let's find purchase _by_ string. Select it, then press Search. Here it is. Open this file shown in the result. Let's look for what we can mod here. Go to this line, then select F, press Go to. Okay, scroll down to the line after move result P0. Just before return P0. Write this in the middle, const/4P0, 0x1. Press Enter, then save the file. Go back and compile the project and sign the APK. Press Save and Exit. Press OK. Now install the app. Uninstall the original one. Let's test the mod now. I'll check Pro subscriptions. As you see, we are already VIP members. And now all the VIP features are unlocked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're new to our channel.